Ang goal is to have yung home and away balang araw. So again, we have to push the sport to become mainstream and to build interest para makapag-home and away tayo eventually. Yun ang talagang end goal natin. Maikot yung bansa.
Before yung Tunit, yung coverage sa social media or sa YouTube and yun ang live full coverage.
Yeah, naka-live kami sa YouTube,
Full
Facebook.
coverage.
Yes.
Yung sa TV, delayed ba or highlights?
Meron kaming delayed, meron ding naka-lives. I think sa PTV4 naka-live kami.
Naka-live siya.
Sa iba, may delayed broadcast. Antabayanin nyo lang yung Facebook page namin. Ilalabas namin yung broadcast schedule namin.
Okay.
Tapos sa social media, nadagdagan din kami ng isa pa, yung Smart Sports. So, sa Facebook page nila, naka-live din kami.
Yes, bro.
So, additional reach for SPA.
Yes.
Okay, so anong game, anong match come the opening week? Kasi 5 days, di ba?
Nag-gig tsaka Quezon City. Sorry, hindi ko kabisado yung schedule.
Taguig versus Quezon City. So, maganda ba kaagad? Why the two teams yung kagad?
Random yung namin
Random, okay.
para fair. So, ni-random namin yung pagbunot. Kasi may mga teams na nagre-request na schedule. Sabi ka, hindi random yung natin. Para fair dahil.
So for this season 2, ano yung pinaka-goal mo ng Sharks Billiards Association? Maybe just one. Kasi as years go by, I'm sure sunod-sunod yung mga goals nyo.
Siguro ang goal right now is higitan yung season 1 namin. Ang gusto ko mangyari is madoble yung viewers namin, madoble yung reach sana. So I think yung efforts namin nung off-season, sana mag-pay off siya, yung pag-ikot namin, yung paggawa namin ng content. Sana ma-reach namin yung mga younger audiences.
Yes. Nakita ko yung mga huling mga tournament dito, mga international, di ba? Andun ka rin sa Reyes Cup,
Yes.
sa Philippine Open. Meron bang pwedeng maging mga collab itong Sharks Billiards Association with big organizations?
Siguro with Matchroom, try natin next year. Pero for now, I would want to focus dun sa local talents muna natin. Kasi napapabayaan yung mga Filipino players natin. So gusto ko bigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga local athletes muna.
Okay.
Pero pagka bigyan ng pagkakataon, why not? Why not make an event with Matchroom?
Yes. Ang ganda siguro makita, di ba, from Sharks Billiards Association to the WNT Matchroom, di ba? Yung pag-graduate ng mga players. Okay, please do invite all our friends out there, especially din doon sa ating venue, di ba? Baka hindi pa nila alam kung saan ang venue ng Sharks Billiards Association.
So right now, wala pa kaming home and away games. We only have one arena which is located at Sharks Arena and Sports Bar along Tomas Morato Ave. It's 234 Tomas Morato Ave, Quezon City. Free entrance tayo dyan. Ang schedule natin is November 10, 8 p.m. onwards. So puntahan nyo kami. Libre lang yan.
Okay. Thank you very much, Hadley, ang founder po ng ating Sharks Billiards Association. All the best, more power, and until next time, balik ka dito with some of the players, di ba?
Thank you. Next time, dadala tayo players.
Maraming salamat po, Hadi Mariano, isa sa tagapagtaguyod ng billiard sa Pilipinas. More power sa ating Sharks Billiards Association. Maraming salamat po. And we'll be right back with the second and final session of today's PSA Forum.